Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you today.
My name is Sophia.
And my name is Jason.
How are you today, Jason?
I'm great, Sophia. Thank you. And you?
I'm wonderful. I'm excited for today's lesson.
Me too. But first, Sophia, what do we always ask our friends?
Oh, yes! Friends, if you are new here, welcome.
We are so happy you are here.
Please click the subscribe button.
Yes, subscribe to our channel.
And what else, Jason?
The like button. Please click the like button. It's a thumbs up.
Yes! Thumbs up. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much, friends.
Okay, so today we have a very important topic.
Very important. This is survival English.
Survival English. What does survival mean, Jason?
Good question. Survival means you need this to live, to survive.
Exactly. This English is very important for your life.
Today's topic is asking for help in real life.
Asking for help. This is so important.
Yes, because sometimes we need help.
Everyone needs help sometimes.
That's right, Sophia. Everyone.
So today we will learn, how do you ask for help in English?
We will learn many examples.
Simple examples. Easy examples.
Are you ready, friends?
Let's start.
Okay, Sophia. First question. When do we need to ask for help?
Many times. For example, I am lost.
Lost. Yes, you don't know where you are.
Right. Or I don't understand something.
Yes, or maybe you need directions.
Directions, like, where is the bathroom?
Exactly. Or where is the train station?
So many situations.
Let's learn some phrases, some sentences.
Yes, let's start with the most basic phrase.
The most basic. Ready?
Ready? Here it is. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Say it with me, friends. Excuse me.
This is how you start when you ask for help.
Always start with excuse me.
It's polite. It's nice.
For example, excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. Excuse me, can you help me?
Say it again. Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. This is a perfect sentence. Excuse me, I need help.
I need help. That's also good.
Yes, I need help. Or, can you help me? Both are good.
Let me try. Excuse me, I need help.
Perfect, Jason. Very clear.
Now, let's practice different situations.
Yes, different situations. Let's start with being lost.
Situation number 1. You are lost.
You don't know where you are.
What do you say?
First, excuse me.
Always excuse me first.
Then I am lost.
I am lost. Simple, clear.
Or you can say, I don't know where I am.
I don't know where I am. Both are good.
Let me show you a full example.
Good idea.
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
Beautiful. Let's say it together. Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
Perfect. Now, maybe you want to find a specific place.
Yes, like the library.
Right. So you say, excuse me, where is the library?
Where is the library? This is asking for directions.
Exactly. Where is, and then the place.
Let's practice more. Where is the bank?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the hospital?
Very good. These are all useful.
Friends, you can use this for any place.
Any place. Just say, where is, and the name.
What if someone gives you directions but you don't understand?
Good question. This happens a lot.
What do you say?
You say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Very polite.
Or, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please? This means say it again.
Yes, repeat means say again.
Let's practice. Can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. And you can also say, can you speak slowly, please?
Oh, slowly. Like this. Can you speak slowly, please?
Exactly, because sometimes people speak very fast.
Too fast for beginners?
So, can you speak slowly, please, is very useful.
Okay, next situation. You are at a restaurant.
A restaurant. This is important.
Maybe you don't understand the menu.
The menu. Yes. What do you say?
Excuse me, I don't understand this menu.
Good. Or, what is this? And point to the food.
Yes, what is this? Very simple.
Or maybe you have an allergy.
An allergy, like you can't eat peanuts.
Right. So you say, excuse me, I have an allergy.
I have an allergy. Then you say, what allergy?
For example, I am allergic to peanuts.
I am allergic to peanuts. Or I can't eat peanuts.
Both are good. I am allergic to or I can't eat.
Let's say another example. I'm allergic to shellfish.
I can't eat dairy.
Very useful phrases.
And what if you need something at the restaurant?
Like more water?
Yes, you say, excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Can I have more water, please? Perfect.
Can I have, and then what you need.
Can I have a napkin, please?
Can I have the check, please?
The check is the bill, the paper with the price.
Yes, in American English, we say check.
In British English, we say bill.
Both are correct. Can I have the check? Or can I have the bill?
Next situation, public transportation.
Like the bus, the train, the subway.
This is very important for travelers.
Yes, so imagine you are at a bus stop.
You don't know which bus to take.
What do you say?
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
Perfect. Which bus goes to, and then the place?
Or, does this bus go to the airport?
Does this bus go to the airport? Yes or no question.
Very useful. Let's practice more.
Does this train go to Brooklyn?
Which platform for the London train?
Platform is where the train stops.
Yes, the place where you wait for the train.
What if you miss your stop?
Oh no, you went too far.
You say, excuse me, I missed my stop.
I missed my stop. Then, how do I go back?
How do I go back? Good question.
Or, where is the nearest station?
The nearest station means the closest station.
Nearest means closest. Same meaning.
Okay, new situation. Shopping.
Shopping. Buying things.
Maybe you're in a store.
You are looking for something.
What do you say?
Excuse me, I'm looking for shoes.
I'm looking for, and then what you want.
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
I'm looking for batteries.
All useful examples.
What if you can't find something in the store?
You ask, do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
Good.
Or, do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in, and then the color or size?
What about prices?
Ah, prices. Very important.
Excuse me, how much is this?
How much is this? Simple question.
How much asks about price.
You can point and say, how much is this?
Or, what's the price?
What's the price? Same meaning.
Now, very important situation. Emergencies.
Emergencies. When something is wrong.
This is survival English.
Very important to know.
If you need help immediately,
You say, help, I need help.
help is the most important word.
Just shout, help.
Everyone will understand.
If you need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor. Clear and simple.
Or, please call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance. An ambulance is the emergency car.
With doctors inside.
What if someone else needs help?
You say, this person needs help.
This person needs help. Point to the person.
Or, someone is hurt.
Someone is hurt. Hurt means injured.
These phrases can save lives.
Very important to remember.
Okay, friends, let's review.
Review means let's remember what we learned.
We learned many phrases today.
Let's say them together.
Number 1, excuse me.
Always start with excuse me
Number 2, can you help me?
or I need help.
Number 3, I don't understand.
Very important phrase.
Number 4, can you repeat that, please?
Number 5. Can you speak slowly, please?
Number 6, where is?
For asking directions.
Number 7, I am lost.
Number 8. How much is this?
Number 9, I'm looking for.
And number 10. Help! I need help.
These are the most important phrases.
Write them down, friends.
Practice them every day.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to ask for help in English.
We learned many situations.
Being lost.
At a restaurant.
Public transportation.
Shopping.
And emergencies.
The most important thing, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
People want to help you.
Most people are kind.
Just say, excuse me, and ask.
Use simple words.
Short sentences.
It's okay if your English is not perfect.
People will understand.
The important thing is, try.
Practice these phrases,
Use them in real life.
and you will get better and better.
Okay, friends, now we have homework for you.
Homework, a small task.
We want you to practice.
In the comments below, write one phrase.
One phrase from today's lesson.
For example, excuse me, can you help me?
Or, I am lost.
Any phrase. Choose your favorite.
Write it in the comments.
This will help you remember.
And we will read all your comments.
We read every single comment.
We love hearing from you.
So please, write in the comments.
And if you want more lessons like this,
If you enjoyed this video,
please click the like button
the thumbs up.
and subscribe to our channel.
We make new videos every week.
Videos for beginners.
Simple English.
Easy to understand.
We are here to help you.
Okay, friends, that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
We hope it was helpful.
Remember, practice these phrases.
Use them in real life.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. That's how we learn.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Thank you so much for watching.
We will see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.